Hello guys, this is Bushra from Bushra's Lifestyle, and today's video is we are going to organize my gadget drawers. Here they look like right now. Pretty messy, huh? I have not done anything else. Everything is real deal. What I am going to do first thing first, I'm going to clean them, getting everything out as I always do. It's really so much fun to have you guys with me and clean and organize everything and give you motivation. So I kind of have cold today, so let's get everything out. It's so much space, so much room in this drawer, but because I have like done nothing, so just couple things took all the room in this drawer. So let's clean that, and then let me show you after cleaning. And I already have made the liner, so let's clean it with the regular cleaner as I always do. So okay, since it's clean, now we're gonna put the liner on it. Here you go. It is already looking good, doesn't it? I can't believe how a few minutes spent on one task could change your lifestyle and everything. So as my go-to product, you all know, is this Dollar Tree basket. I'm gonna go with that again. There. 1, 2, and then going to go with 3 and 1 more. So these are the baskets. 4 baskets are in there. So now we're gonna place my gadgets. So what I'm going to do, most frequently used, I will place first, and then I will place the one we don't use quite often, or I might move them. These measuring cups we use quite often, specifically my husband sometimes does baking, or his go-to place is this drawer, which was pretty messy, doesn't it? Let's see, I put these are the measuring cups, there are the cutter for the sandwich cutter, etc. Here is avocado, and we use a lot of avocado in our foods, like melon cutter. And then I'm gonna go this drawer. Oh my goodness, isn't that a mess? It's like even a bigger mess. So I'm just gonna grab all the gadgets from this, and we're going to organize this as well, so we can just place that gadget where it goes. Let's see if we have more gadgets. Yes, this one is for tomato cutter. Okay, here's the final product. Your cups, sandwich cutters, apple cutter, all those other cutters. It does look completely different than what we started with, which was a huge mess. Hope you like it. And now we're moving to the other drawer. We're gonna do that. So let's do the organizing my other drawer. This is the second one. Pretty messy. So we are going to get again everything out. Let's do it quickly. So here, before I had this liner, they're not that great because it just does not stick. So I'm just going to take it out, clean it again, and put the other liner on. Here we go. It's all nice. So let's start with my baskets, which I am going to grab these to fill my basket. Just these clips. And I have another one ready. Let me grab that and which is going to be all these gadgets going there with that. So here, already looking nice. Okay, put them with this. What else? These are the nutcracker. Will go in here, and then I wonder if I could put that here. Okay. Here is the huge difference you guys can see. All my clips extra here. My son eats in a doggy hot dog, and here these are cupcake maker, some gadgets. So I think it looks pretty good as opposed to how it was before, and that looks prettier as well. Everything has a room where they belong, and it will not take a moment. It will only take a moment to find them. Organizing is such a magic. Home organizing is a magical thing to get addicted, and I am pretty addicted in these days. Probably only I was lost when I was in school and moving and doing things like that, but otherwise it's going pretty good for me. A few more things in my kitchen I have to do, and then I will give you guys a kitchen tour, which is going to look amazing. Here's the third drawer. Awful, huh? Let's fix that one as well. Sorry, my voice is very different because I have a cold. Let's clean it and do all those steps we have done for the first one. Our liner, and then let's do this. Those Dollar Tree baskets again, and you would see how organized that look as opposed to all that so much crappy drawer I have before. It is going to make life very easy for me, and I want you to please do that for yourself as well. I so hope that you get the motivation. See, it's all good. My kids' little bottles, small trays for them. Okay, here's the last drawer. Right now looks like that. Let's put things in the groups. Okay, again I cleaned it, and I'm going to put in this drawer all those things which is like going to be little longer one. And these organizers are from Walmart. I bought them, I guess, because Dollar Tree do not have them. They have the longer organizer, but they are smaller, and the one I used, they were perfect for my drawer. These my little corn thingy. My husband likes corn, so we always keep these things. All other are different kitchen gadgets. All these drawers, 4 of them I have, they're all full with kitchen gadgets, but at least I can find them now where they are, as opposed to just wasting my time. Okay guys, hope you like it, and please subscribe, press the bell button as well so you can get notified every time I do my new video, and I post it every Sunday night around 8 o'clock. So I really appreciate your support, and let me know what kinds of video you really like, and I should do that. Have a great day.